You were doing something important, or maybe nothing important at all, but you stopped here. And now there's this awkward silence between you and your thoughts. Good. Stay in it for a moment. You've learned how to function, not how to live. Just how to function. You reply when people text. You show up when you're expected. You laugh when it's needed. But inside, there's a version of you that no one sees. The one that gets tired for no reason. The one that overthinks everything at 2 a.m. The one that feels like something is always missing, but can't explain what. And the strange part is, you've gotten used to it. That's the scariest part. Not the pain, but adapting to it. There was a time you used to talk to Allah without thinking too much. Not perfect words, not long duas. See, not long duas, just honesty. Now even your silence feels distant. Not because you stopped believing, but because life got loud, and slowly, without noticing, you started carrying everything alone. As if that was normal, as if that was strength. But deep down, you know, it isn't. You thought distance meant rejection, bade. You thought delays meant denial. You thought nothing is happening meant no one is listening. But not everything is supposed to feel immediate. Some things are being shaped in ways your mind can't process yet. Not everything you want is ready for you. And not everything you lost was meant to stay. Even your confusion is not wasted. Even your waiting is not ignored. You don't need a perfect version of yourself to return. That's something people get wrong. You don't come back to Allah after you fix everything. You come back because you couldn't fix it alone. There's a difference. Maybe that's what you forgot? Not perfection, but return. You don't need a big moment tonight. No emotional breakdown. No dramatic realization. Just a quiet decision inside your chest. I'm done carrying this alone. That's it. That's enough. Maybe this video meant something, maybe it didn't. But if even a small part of you softened while watching it, don't ignore that. Because soft moments don't come often, and they don't stay forever. And your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied by it. If this reached you, you don't need to say much. Just write one word in the comments. What you felt while watching this. Nothing more. And if someone you know needs this, send it to them quietly.